Okay, design log. For anybody who is taking ICT next year, this is one of the things that you'll be asked to do. I'm going to leave it up to you in this particular project for enterprise whether you want to do the design log, because there's quite a lot of work involved, and I know that you'll be keen to get on to actually making some of the products. So it's up to you. If you take an ICT next year and you want to practice doing the design log, have a go at this. If you want to skip it, then by all means do that, move on to the products. And if you run out of things to do at the end of the unit, it's always something that you can come back to. But the general idea behind this is recording the decisions that you make as you're designing things, because when you're making a graphic, you don't just make a final version and that's the end of it. Usually you'll do a draft and then you'll check it, you'll see if it's any good, you'll make it better and improve it. So this design log is basically about keeping a record of how you've managed to do that. That's the point of it. And it's also a chance for you to talk about what tools you've used to actually make it. So when you do ICT next year, those of you that are doing it, this is where you can actually talk about in Photoshop, I used this tool and that tool and the other tool. And it's one of the ways that you show off the different skills that you've managed to use. You don't need to do that in enterprise. We're not judging you as closely as that, as you'll get judged for your GCSEs. So it's open to you. If you do want to do it, it's just a Word document, similar to what we did for the proposal and the elements table. You can make yourself some headings here, just the same as we did. And then for each of these different products, you would just keep screenshots of the designs that you've done, write some notes about what you did, how you did it, and talk about the different tools that you used in Photoshop or whatever you used to make those particular products. Okay, so that's how you do it if you would like.